So, something big might be cooking behind the scenes. And if the rumors are even half true, this could be the beginning of a major shift in the smartphone world. Google's gearing up to release Android 16, doing the final tweaks, polishing things up. But while Google's busy there, a new storm is quietly building in China. What if I told you that Android might soon lose its crown as the king of mobile operating systems? Yup, it looks like Android might not be the only player at the top anymore, because rumors say that Huawei and Xiaomi are teaming up to build a Google-free smartphone ecosystem. And if that wasn't enough, BBK Group, the parent company behind OPPO, Vivo, and OnePlus, might also be jumping into the mix. Let that sink in. Huawei, Xiaomi, OPPO, Vivo, and OnePlus, basically all the top Chinese smartphone makers coming together to create an independent, GMS-free software universe. No Google, no Play Store, just their own ecosystem. And this isn't just some crazy rumor. It's a move that actually makes a lot of sense. Now, before we get into how Xiaomi is planning to drop Android, let's roll things back a bit and talk about who started all this. Huawei. Yes, back in 2019, when US sanctions hit hard, Huawei got cut off from Google services. No GMS, no Play Store. A lot of people thought it was the end of Huawei smartphones. But nope. Instead of giving up, Huawei built its own path, Harmony OS. First, it was based on Android's open source version. But now, they've taken it even further with Harmony OS Next, a completely self-developed Android-free system. And this isn't just a China-only experiment. Huawei is dominating the Chinese market with Harmony OS Next. It's smooth, it's fast, it's built for AI, and it doesn't need Google. And now, other companies are starting to follow the same path. Xiaomi recently launched HyperOS, a brand new operating system meant to replace MIUI. And while HyperOS is currently still Android-based, the direction is clear. The rumors say Xiaomi is planning to build a global version of HyperOS without Google, possibly working with Huawei to create a completely independent software ecosystem. Let me put it this way. What Huawei started out of necessity might now become the future of mobile in China and maybe even globally. But of course, there are risks. Xiaomi is huge in both China and international markets. Breaking away from Android completely means building everything from scratch, app stores, services, developer tools, and that's not easy. It also means losing out on a lot of users who rely on Google apps. But here's the twist. Maybe the goal isn't to fully eliminate Android right away. Maybe it's about slowly building a foundation, reducing reliance on Google, prioritizing their own services, making users comfortable with something new, just like Huawei did. And if all these brands, Xiaomi, Huawei, BBK, actually come together to build a shared Google-free software experience, that's not just a new OS. That's a challenge to Android's global monopoly. Imagine a future where smartphones don't need Google. Imagine an entire ecosystem made by China's biggest tech giants, built from the ground up, working across phones, tablets, TVs, wearables. That future might not be that far away. So yeah, things are getting very interesting in the smartphone world, and all credit goes to Huawei for daring to take the first step when no one else could. Let me know what you think. Will Xiaomi really ditch Android? Can Harmony OS Next and HyperOS compete with Google? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this news surprised you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tech updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.